Yo, what it do, y'all? Welcome to the channel, man. If your first time at the channel, man, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Get that bell icon out, great to rub down. I don't know what this guy right here is doing, lady. Get that bell icon and get to rub down. But yeah, y'all, the channel has been slowly growing, yo. I'm stoked. 1 subscriber almost a day, y'all, and I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic, like Mike Tyson. I'm ecstatic. I truly appreciate you guys following and subscribing, and you know, we all got to come together. You know what I mean? There's a lot of craziness is going on in the world right now. And I want to just try to do the best that I can do to bring a little bit of happiness to everybody. You know what I mean? If I can make somebody laugh, then sweetness. Just like this person that just ran this stop sign, texting on their phone. I still got to get the shirts made, Joe. I didn't forget about that. I still got to get the shirts made. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. Oh, my God. I'm terrified. I still got to get the shirts made. Smile, dumbass, you're on. And then she just cut me off. Smile, dumbass, you're on YouTube. Moto craziness, it just started, y'all. Just like that, it just started. And then you got somebody else that's texting on the phone too. Everybody is on the phone texting, don't know what's going on. I guess everybody got a message they got to get out right now. I don't know what the message might be, but my heart is kind of like pounding right now for some reason. Anyways, a lot of craziness going on, y'all. It's been a lot of crazy things, and I've been just trying to keep positive. So I'm gonna go ahead, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be posting up and putting up a whole bunch of, actually we're gonna go this way. I'm gonna be putting up a whole bunch of random crazy stuff that just happens usually whenever I'm riding, because people don't be paying attention. People be tripping, they be texting on the phone, driving. I got somebody that was texting right behind me, got somebody else that was texting right beside me, so I'm kind of blocked them right now. Something happened to me, then y'all seen it here on Bad 888. Man, but it's all good. All you can do is just laugh it off, man. People do crazy things, you just laugh it off. You know what I'm saying? If I'm still here, I know it's not something to take easily or take lightly, because you know, people don't really pay attention. They hit you, next thing you know, you dead. But if I ain't dead yet, I'm gonna laugh it off. So that's just the way that I look at it. I'm thinking about doing a few more other designs. I want to kind of mold some metal and make some custom aluminum parts. A few videos that I saw, it definitely seems pretty easy to do if you got the right material. So I'm thinking about possibly doing that. The cool part about it is that I do like 3D modeling and everything else like that. So I can custom make the parts in 3D and then make a mold out of the parts and then convert that over to metal, and I think that'd be dope. Like I got like a few ideas for some cap covers and a few different things, you know what I mean? Ooh, that's roadkill. Ooh, that's roadkill. Ooh, that's a nice fairing he got on his, kind of like mine's. His like look really skinny though. But yeah, you guys, please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, man. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, like the video, man. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your crew. And then make sure you tell them once they subscribe to rub that bell icon down like an old-fashioned, I can't say hooker. Can I say that on YouTube? Can I say that? No? Just give it a nice, good old-fashioned rub down. And I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop of all of the fun, all of the craziness, man. I'm gonna ride around today for a little bit just to see, you know what I'm saying, what I can find. Maybe we might find a little bit of craziness. I gotta go home and do some work on this boy. Got to do some work on the Bagster. But in the meantime, man, like I said, if y'all enjoying the content, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, man. Smash that like button, give that bell a kind of good old-fashioned rub down. I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop of all of the DIY, all of the how-tos, all of the test rides, all of the reviews, all of the product installs, all of the fun. Y'all already know. This your boy Bad 883.